Here's an old Rancid song called Journey to the End. It's actually called Journey to the End of the East Bay.
It's on tour, that's all I had to say.
Back in the day, you wouldn't believe a tough hot chicken in the punk rock scene. There wasn't always a place to go. There was always there to need to belong. All the bands, all the people, all our friends, if we were equals, well, what you gonna do when everyone goes on without you? To the end, to the end, I'll journey to the end, to the end, to the end, I'll journey to the end, to the end, to the end, I'll journey to the end. Started in 87, ended in 89. Got a garage on an amp for any time. It was just a 4-bus, yeah, and a cool bus. Too much attention, one of them destroyed us. 4 kids out of door, 3,000 miles in a Ford car. Man, I know what's going on. Too many years going out like this. In the beginning, we never would have predicted this. The end, I'll journey to the end. The end, I'll journey to the end. The end, the end, I'll journey to the end. Daddy came far away from New Orleans to that East Bay. Said this is Mecca. I said it's no Mecca, this place to be. 3 months went by, had no home, had no food, duties all alone. 97 school, we want shame on you. We didn't move twice, and we're back to New Orleans. To the end, I'll journey then. The end, I'll journey then. The end, I'll journey then. The end, I love my friends. I love my friends until the end. I love my friends. I love my friends until the end. Woo! I love y'all.